It's the last day of summer vacation before back to school, and the first stories that we're reading is Not Waving But Drowning and Hurricane. Not Waving But Drowning by Stevie Smith. Nobody heard him. The dead man but still he lay moaning. I was much further out than you thought, and not waving but drowning. Poor chap, he always loved larking, and now he's dead. It must have been too cold for him. His heart gave way, they said. Oh, no, 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 it was too cold always. Still the dead one laying moaning. I was much too far out all my life, and not waving but drowning. Hurricane by James Barrie. Under low black clouds the wind was all speedy feet, all horns and breath, all bangs, howls, rattles, in every hen house, church hall, and school. Roaring, screaming, returning, it made forced entry, shoved walls, made rifts, brought roofs down, hitting rooms to sticks apart. It wrung soft banana trees, broke tough trunks of palms. It pounded vines of yams, left fields battered up, invisible with such ecstasy, with no intervention of sun or man. Everywhere kept changing branches. Zinc sheets are kites. Leaves are panic swarms. Boughs are fixed with feathers turned goats, dogs, pigs, all our people together. Then growling it slunk away. From muddy mossy trail and boats and hedges and cows, rabbits, trees, fish all dead in the road.